Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, I'm back. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie, Auntie Ren, here again. Or back again? No, because back again implies I left and I went somewhere. I didn't really go anywhere. I've been here. So here we are again with another video. Guys, I know. So everyone's going to be like, where you been, Sway? You just backed out. Where you been? So insert long story here. Basically, life happens, things happen, you know. Came back from my birthday vacation back in September. September. Came back home and my apartment was impacted by Ida. Long story short, it just has been a bear getting through that. And yeah, but here we are. I'm back at it, back again, back like I never left, back and better than ever. Okay, you get the point. But anyway, so here we are. And guys, I am so excited because today is December 1st. And you know what that means. So last year, if you watch any of my videos or my past videos last year, I didn't make it in time for Vlogmas. I didn't make it. So, and I tried to like recoup and like make it into something. So I was doing like 12 days of Christmas and yeah, no, so I didn't even do that. I think I did like 8 days of Christmas. It was bad. So this year I was like, you know what? I've been gone for about 2 months. Yes, count them, 2. So I've been gone for about 2 months and I'm like, all right, you know what? I've got to come back and I've got to come back with a bang. I've got to give, you know, my subbies something. I've got to give my nieces something, my nephews something, you know, my fellow aunties, you know, we've got to do something. We've got to do something. I got to get back into the groove. I watch your videos, what your other YouTubers, I'm watching your videos, I'm commenting. I miss you all so much. I miss interacting with you. So I was like, you know what? I need to get back in here. So I committed to doing something for December, right? But here, okay, one caveat, you know, there's always a story with me. The Vlogmas, yeah. So the concept of Vlogmas is that you're supposed to vlog all of the things that I guess you're doing during the holidays or what have you, from December 1st to December 25th, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, sound off in the comments, let me know if what I'm saying is not correct. But basically this is what you're supposed to do. And like, you know, you're decorating the tree, you're going, you know, shopping, you're showing all the bits, what have you. My life is not that exciting. I'm not doing anything. Not doing much. I don't have much that's going on, enough for me to take you all with me somewhere. So basically I was like, all right, I want to do Vlogmas. I'm down for it. I'm committed. I want to put out a video a day. I miss, you know, the fam. I want to get in there, but I don't have anything to really vlog. However, I have a lot of things to unbox. So Auntie has been busy. We've been busy over here with the shopping and more is coming. I just hope everything is here in time. But I want to do, instead of Vlogmas, Unboxmas. So this is not an original idea, okay? So I looked it up. So I'm never going to take credit for something that I didn't make up, but my son came up with the name Unboxmas. We went on to YouTube. There are other YouTubers who have done Unboxmas or have named their videos Unboxmas. So this is not a unique name to me or anything like that. But basically, since I don't have a life that is exciting enough to take you around to fill up December 1st to December 25th, to fill up all of those days, I decided to do an unboxing each day for all of December, but basically all of Vlogmas. So instead of vlogging, we'll just do an unboxing every day. So some of the bits I've bought already, so I'm going to be super transparent, be super fair. I just haven't had a chance to unbox them because I haven't been on the channel, not really, you know, doing anything really active, not really doing too much. So I've got some things kind of set aside, and we'll go through that. But I also have some things that are coming in. And, you know, like my husband says, oh, I'm the hashtag brown box life. I'm about that brown box life. So I've got more brown boxes coming. And as those things come in, I'll unbox those as well. And I feel like during this time of the year, a lot of us are about that brown box life. So, you know, it'll just be sharing kind of, you know, what's coming in, what I've ordered, what I'm getting. Fair enough, most of it's going to be for me. I mean, you know, that's just what we're doing. It's going to be items for me. I'm not going to show you like, you know, kids' toys or anything like that, or gifts or whatever. So that's not what this is going to be about. This is purely just things that I like, that I've been buying, that I've purchased, that I've had my eye on, that I've already purchased, things like that. So we're doing Unboxmas, guys. This is what we're doing. It's Unboxmas for December. So December 1st, starting today. Well, technically today I'm not going to unbox anything because I kind of wanted just to come back in, say hello, check in, let you know, you all know what I'm doing. So you know to watch, to tune in, to look for it. But we're going to do this, an unboxing every day until the 25th. Help me, pray for me that that everything comes in. What am I going to do if something doesn't come in? I'm going to be so vexed. Oh my God. If something doesn't come in, I don't know what we're going to go to Trader Joe's or to Whole Foods or something. And I think most of it will be luxury, I think. Maybe. I don't know if I want to commit to that. No, maybe not. There are some items that I want to show you all because I'm passionate about them and I love them. So I don't know if they'll all be luxury, but the majority of them will be luxury for sure. But yeah, so that's what's going on with me. That's what we're going to be doing for December. I hope you all tune in, and I hope you comment, and I hope to, you know, engage with all of you again. I try to watch all of your channels, and, you know, if you're not a YouTuber, I try to comment. If you comment on my video, I try to comment to everyone. So don't be shy. Make sure you know, sound off in the comments. I love it, chatting it up with all of you. I miss you all so much. So I'm so excited. Oh, let me show you one thing quick. So you know how there's been like these collabs going on, right? Like Balenciaga and Gucci did a bit of a collab and so on. So I was like, oh, I love this hacker mentality, or this hacker thing that's going on. So I finally took this bad boy out. So this is my Coach Tabby. I have not worn this since I unboxed it. Seriously, but I just recently took it for a twirl this past weekend, and I matched it up with, you know, it comes with a matching strap, and it comes with, like, there's a short handle and then there's a long strap. So I took that off and I put on it my multi-pochette accessoire khaki strap on it, and then left it with the, what is this, the round coin purse and the little tabby, whatever this is, dog tag thingy, whatever, bag charms or whatever. But I absolutely loved it. Oh my God, I loved it. So it's so soft. The leather is so amazing. I did scuff it a little, but like with like makeup or whatever when I was out, and I literally just wiped it with a baby wipe, boom, and it was, you know, good as new. I'm obsessed. I love this. I don't know what took me so long to take it out. Doesn't hold as much as I thought it would. Like I just put in like my essentials, you know, and I'll link a video to my 5 SLGs that I carry with me all the time. I'll link that up in the iCards. But I basically put like those bits in here, and it was a little bit of a struggle. It's not as big, but I'm going to do a review on this. Not now, not during Unboxmas. See, you like that? You like that plug? Not during Unboxmas, but after that, come like, you know, after Christmas, I'll start to do some reviews on some of the things that I've purchased recently that I haven't had a chance to really talk about, and like you know, use them and so on, and tell you like what I'm feeling about them, like first impressions, that's what they're called. So I'll do those, but I'm obsessed with this. This is the bag that I'm carrying currently. I love it. It's just, it suits my color palette right now for the fall/winter. I'm really into creams, really into this kind of khaki color, and I'm obsessed. So I just wanted to share little luxury eye candy, since that's what we do here on the channel. But anyway, nieces, wait, it's so good to say this again. Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when auntie is in the house, because baby, I am in the house for December. Yes. All right. And I will talk to you all. I'm like lit right now. I'm so excited to be here. But anyway, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. So excited. Pray that everything comes in and the post is on our side for December and we don't have to go running down the street chasing UPS. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Talk to you soon.